Right. Here we go. These are the list of people who send in the past continuous tense, which is good, but I expect you to, I have to check it this afternoon. And number 2, I wonder where is number 2? It's been 4 assignments. I haven't heard from number 2 at all. 4 assignments. Number 2 hasn't done a single thing. Wonder what happened. Let me share the screen first. Sorry, I forgot to share the screen. Okay, number 2, and then one sec, I forgot. Sound turn on. Number 2, number 3, number 5, number 6, number 9, number 14, 17, 19. I didn't see any work from number 19. So number 19, are you here? Number 19? Well, if not, please, can someone tell him that, you know, we need to be, he need to send it, he or she, I'm not sure, to send all the work, okay? Number 25, the past continuous tense. If you don't understand or yesterday you haven't attended my class, you can go to your Google Classroom and click on the stream on yesterday topic. I post a video that explain and give out the answers on this past continuous tense. All right, so next one's number 27. I didn't see it. 29, 30, 31, 33, 35. Okay, please hand it in. All right, enough with the work. Oops, sorry, this one. This has to be here. We have done, we have finished lesson 4 on exercise 1 and 2, right? On the next exercise, which is on page, what page is it? I believe it's 45, page 45. Before we go to page 45 in the activity book, let's brush up on some of the time, here. As you were little, you might have heard these time, right? It's this one, it could be 3:15 or 3:15, right? For 3:15, that's really easy for you, right? 3:15, you just look at the number and you just say it out loud. But however, if it's a quarter to, quarter past, it could be a problem for some people who still has not get used to it yet. So today I would like to emphasize on using past and to. Okay, do you see they have green circle? These half green circle from 12 to 6. We will use past, and from 6 to 12 we'll use to. This is how they read the time. 5 past this hour or 5 to the next hour, like this one, right? What time is it? What time is it? In English, a quarter mean 1/4, right? A quarter mean 1/4. So it's like pizza. Oh, I try to make it 1/4. Just like pizza. Let's just see that I have, separate the circle exactly 1/4. people. I'm so sorry on my writing skill. Okay, and in English, we call 1/4 a quarter. Okay, a quarter. Quarter means 1/4, right? In American money system, 100 cents means $1, right? And 25 cents, we call it a quarter. However, with the time, how many minutes do we have in 1 hour? How many minutes in 1 hour?
16 minutes, teacher.
Yes, 60 minutes, right? 60 minutes. So that means a quarter of 60 minutes is only 15 minutes. That's why we call this one a quarter past. And on this side, we call it a quarter to. But however, on this from this picture, what time is it? What do you say? What time is this? It's a quarter past at the hour, so it's a quarter past 5. Understand? Or 5:15. About this one, what time is it? This one we use quarter to, right? In 15 minutes, it's going to be 4 o'clock. So 15 means quarter. So this one you say quarter to 4. Understand? So here, this one, 3:15, we say quarter past 3, right? And 3:45, we say quarter to 4. Do you understand? So you look at the time and you think, if once that you use 2, that means it's going to be on the next hour. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Everyone got it? I'd like you to turn on your camera as well so I can see that you're here. Thank you. Okay. Next. Oops, sorry. Here. Here is the the analog clock. Right. What time is it? What time is it? Anyone? Sad. Anyone, can you guess what time is it? It's 10 what? Sometimes I just wonder if you guys ever hear me at all. Okay, it's 10 past 1. Okay, this one is minutes, right? And this one is an hour. How you tell the time is you start with the minutes first, which is the long hand, and then you look at the hour, which is on the short hand. Okay, let's try one more time. Oops, sorry. Let's try one more time. Okay, what time is it? What's that?
25 past 1.
Very good. It is 25 past 1. Oops, sorry. Ugh. Right, next. What time is it? In 20 minutes, it's going to be 2 o'clock. What do you say?
40 past 1.
See, this one is, it goes over 6, right? If it goes over 6, why is it? If it's go over 6 on this side, on this left hand, I cannot write, guys. Weird. Something wrong. See? If it's past 6, you have to use... couldn't be bother. Why is that? You have to use 2, right, to the next hour. So you minus that off the 60 minutes. So you will have to say 20, because in 20 minutes, right, it's going to be 2 o'clock. So it's 20 to 2. Understand? So after here, I try to make it, I cannot write on it, sorry. So after 12, let me show you this one. I wonder if I could just write on over here. Here. Okay. On this side, we using past to whatever minutes. Okay. And on this side, on the green side, we using 2, which means minus 60 minutes. So let me go back over here. Oops, sorry. Let me delete this first. So over here, let me see, this one here. In 5 minutes, it's going to be 4 o'clock. So what do you say? It's in 5 minutes, it's going to be 4 o'clock. It's 5, right? 5 to 4. 5 to 4, that means it's 3:55. Understand? Okay, whoops, sorry. Here. Okay, what time is it? "15 minutes" in English means a quarter. So what do you say? Quarter to or quarter past?
A quarter to 6.
A quarter to what?
6.
6.
Very good. A quarter to 6. And so on. Okay? I think you get it, right? So, Okay, I'm gonna skip this one. Turn to page 45. Page 45 on the activity book. And look at, this is Ralph's activities on yesterday. Okay, so they have time period of what kind of activities he's doing, and I like you to take a look and then write a sentence, complete a sentence. For example, number one, at 6:30, half past six, that's mean 6:30, right? 6:30, so it's around here. So 6:30, at 6:30, he was playing on the computer. Sample. Okay, so go ahead and do it, please. Let me know when you finish, okay? Let me know when you finish. Finish, okay. Number 2, at 5:15. At 5:15. What time is it? 5:15.
He do his homework.
5:15 is 5:15, right? So 5:15 is over here. So what do you say? He
He
was
do
While doing his home.
right. Don't forget to write was. Okay, he was doing his homework. Okay. Number 3, at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is around here. So what do you say? He
tea.
he was having tea. Okay, having tea doesn't mean you drink tea or your bubble teas that you have. Okay, having tea in British means you have a light meal before dinner, or some British people just say tea as dinner. Okay, so in this case, I think he is having dinner. Okay, but they're using tea instead of dinner. Have you ever heard of the high tea and the low tea? Like, the low tea means like you have a scones and stuff, put it on the layers, and then you drink tea. But the high tea means, the meals was extravagance and big stuff, heavy stuff for eating. That's mean dinner, the high tea. Okay, number four. Number four. At quarter to six. What time? To six. What time at quarter to, can anyone tell me? Quarter to six. What does that mean?
He was playing football.
Good. It's 5:15. Oops, sorry. 5:45, right? So he was playing football. Number five. At quarter to five. What time is it? Quarter to five.
He was riding his bike.
Good. He was riding his bike. Quarter to five is 4:45, right? So it's this one. So he was riding his bike. Okay, the last exercise of today is listen. Listen and match the rest of the sentences. This is the story, okay? This is the story we have been listening on lesson 3, and we will listen to it one more time.
Listening 2.7. Listen and read. Murder mystery. The children are late for the play.
Ha! We've got the last tickets. What do we do now? Quick, this way. In this door. Is it okay to go in here? Yes, my mum knows the manager.
It's the last scene of the play.
Mrs. Bridges, where were you last night?
I was here, sir.
What were you doing at 8 o'clock?
I was cooking the dinner.
And what about Agnes? What was she doing at 8 o'clock?
She was with me, sir. She was cleaning the kitchen.
There's only one person with no alibi.
Mr. Pitt! Mr. Pitt killed Mr. Trent. Mr. Pitt? Oh, no!
Brilliant! We've got the answer! Shh! Oh no! I can't get a signal for the phone. Wait, Meg. The play isn't finished.
No, you're wrong. Mr. Pitt was with me.
Aha! So, Millie killed Mr. Trent.
Oh! Oh! Ah!
Outside the theatre.
Oh no! It wasn't Mr. Pitt.
You were too quick.
Millie killed Mr. Trent.
That's correct.
Now, please do this exercise. Are you finished? Or not yet?
Teacher,
Yes?
again, please.
You want to listen to it one more time?
Yes.
Okay.
Listening 2.7. Listen and read.
Murder mystery. The children are late for the play.
Ha ha! We've got the last tickets. What do we do now? Quick, this way. In this door. Is it okay to go in here? Yes, my mum knows the manager.
It's the last scene of the play.
Mrs. Bridges, where were you last night?
I was here, sir.
What were you doing at 8 o'clock?
I was cooking the dinner.
And what about Agnes? What was she doing at 8 o'clock?
She was with me, sir. She was cleaning the kitchen.
There's only one person with no alibi.
Mr. Pitt! Mr. Pitt killed Mr. Trent! Mr. Pitt? Oh, no!
Brilliant! We've got the answer.
Shh!
Oh no! I can't get a signal for the phone. Wait, Meg. The play isn't finished.
No, you're wrong. Mr. Pitt was with me.
Aha! So, Millie killed Mr. Trent.
Oh! Oh! Ah!
Outside the theatre.
Oh no! It wasn't Mr. Pitt.
You were too quick.
Millie killed Mr. Trent.
That's correct.
Okay. Have you finished? So, oops. So this one, right? The Red Wolves had the last ticket for the play. Number 2, what do you have? The children went through,
The stage door.
yes, the stage door. And number 3, it was the last scene. Can you get it? It was the last scene of the play. Okay, the play means, you know, people were on the stage. That's called a play. Go and watch the play. People on the stage portray the story. Okay, next one. The detective was asking what?
Question.
Right.
Question.
Was asking questions. Next one. Mr. Pitt didn't.
Kill Mr.
Kill
Trent.
Mr. Trent.
Right. Which one? C or F?
C.
Good. C. Right? Because this one is past simple. Do you remember past simple? When the verb that's come after the negative form or didn't, it's always follow with the pure form of verb, which is no ed. Okay, Mr. Pitt was with
The detective at 8 o'clock.
right, the detective at 8 o'clock. Millie,
Kill Mr. Trent.
good.
Kill
Millie
Mr. Trent.
killed Mr. Trent, right? And the Red Wolves had
The wrong answer.
Yes, the wrong answer. These are the stories that we have learned from last week, right? And then this week again, just to see if you still remember the story and comprehended it. Okay, so do you have any questions for today? Any questions, guys, today?
No, teacher.
No? Okay. So I will see you tomorrow. And please don't forget to do this one. Past continuous tense. Okay, don't forget to do past continuous tense. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.